Okay, so we're back on the old Bandit Model 65 XP here. I recently saw in my last video for the knife clearancing, which was a couple months ago, that somebody requested how to move the anvil on it. Well, if you haven't already had your answer, I apologize it took me so long to get back to you. But we're looking at the anvil right here. So it's this side of the machine, engine side. And what you got to do is you got to loosen this bolt here, this bolt here. This bolt you got to take out, and you got to loosen this one too. And then you might have to take this one out to either move it forward or backwards, depends. And then to move it, you slack off the nuts on the back of these two and you move it forward a little bit. This is you only have to do this when you're adjusting the clearance between the knives and the anvil. So if it's good, if you have good clearance, you don't need to touch this. Typically I only do this maybe once every 6 months or once every 200 hours. Now another thing to look at is from the inside you can see whether the anvil is rounded over or not. If it gets too rounded over, you might have big chips, or it might not be chipping as nicely as it does normally. That might be reason to flip it. If you do need to take it off completely to flip it, take off these 3 bolts completely and then it'll fall loose. You can take out your holder. This is just to hold it if you need to hold it and put these bolts, and that's all that's there for. You can take it out completely if you want. So yeah, take off these bolts and then you can take it out, you can flip it over, you can just screw it back in, and be sure to properly torque these down. I forget what it is in the manual, but they give a specific torque for them. These ones too. Other than that, you go by the same procedure as clearancing your knives. You get out your little feeler, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.